The double dot strategy is all about confluence. When two fib belly dots of the same direction appear within 10 to 15 algo bars, it signals a strong potential reversal. Here's a bullish double dot setup. Two green fib belly dots appear close together and price immediately moves up. The ideal stop placement right behind the latest fib dot. Now let's look at the opposite. Two red fib belly dots appear, confirming strong selling pressure. Price drops immediately after. For extra confluence, watch for SMLK timing and delta flagging. But what if the dots don't match? The most recent signal usually holds more weight. Like here, a green dot appears, but the latest is red. Price drops, confirming the bearish setup. That's the double dot strategy in action. See you in the next video.